Hello, welcome to Pretend City Children's Museum. My name is Natalia and I'm the operations manager here. Today we'll be walking you through our cleaning procedures, so let's go take a look. Our days begin bright and early with our Pretendineers and brain builders sanitizing our high-touch areas. We use a hospital-grade sanitizer as we're disinfecting our spaces. Marina can be a fun place for our kiddos to splash around. It is maintained with chlorine to disinfect the water and keep the water safe for our children and families. The water is tested every day to ensure that the chemical balance is correct and safe. Throughout the museum, you'll find these useful sanitation stations. If you find a dirty toy that needs some cleaning, just drop it in the bin and the team will take it from there. We also provide hand sanitizer stations throughout the museum to prevent the spread of germs and to keep our city clean. Hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Charlie is our day porter here at Pretend City. He works really hard to keep our bathrooms clean, our trash cans empty, and to keep Pretend City beautiful. The next time you're here, be sure to say hi to Charlie.
Bye.
Bye, Charlie. See you next time. Hi, everyone. We're backstage in our facilities headquarters. We have washers and dryers where we wash items daily. Our facilities manager, Ken, works on our large-scale projects like installing new hardwood floors in the construction zone, power washing our imagination playground, and installing new fixtures. He also repairs and builds new exhibits or takes care of any facility issues that may arise big or small. At the end of our day, our team begins to reset and sanitize for a new day. After we clean and sanitize the day, our night porters arrive. Their hard work keeps Pretend City clean. Our night crew deep cleans the floor, cleans the restroom, sanitizes walls and toys, and mops and scrubs the marina. And really takes pride in cleaning the museum for the next day's visitors. Pretend City does everything that we can to prevent illness and to keep our environment clean and safe. We encourage all of our guests to visit when they are healthy. And we hope that this video helps explain a little bit in depth about what we do to keep the city clean and shining for you and for us. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pretend City!
Feel free to contact us anytime at info@pretendcity.org.